This video is sponsored by ANCO, the clearest choice in wiper blades. Visit ancowipers.com to learn more.
If you didn't think windshield wipers were important, you'd better think again. Many of today's vehicles are equipped with some level of advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS for short. ADAS incorporates such technologies like lane departure warning, blind spot notification, park assist, or even self-parking, collision avoidance, adaptive cruise control, and even more. These systems use a variety of cameras, sensors, radar, and even LiDAR to allow some of the features previously mentioned to work properly. One of the most important components in an ADAS system is the front forward-facing camera. This device is usually part of the rear view mirror assembly. The vehicle will use the information it obtains from this camera to recognize road signs, help direct headlights during turns, control braking during collision avoidance situations, manipulate the cruise control speeds to prevent one from following too closely in an unsafe manner, and even lane departure. In a fully autonomous vehicle, it is even more important for obvious reasons. Picture this camera as your eyes. If your line of vision is restricted, your driving becomes unsafe, and the same holds true for the camera's line of vision. Having the correct type of wiper, arms, and blades is even more critical than ever before. We all have been in the passenger in someone's car that needed new wiper blades. It made us second guess our decision to even go for a ride with them in rainy, snowy, or even foggy weather. We can multiply that unsafe feeling we had by 10 when we are dealing with ADAS-equipped vehicles simply due to how many other vehicle systems affected by an unclear windshield. The blade will attach to the arm and will glide across the windshield, acting as a squeegee to clean the glass. There are several distinct types of blades available, such as curved, regular, and even snow and ice blades, which typically help prevent the blade pivots from freezing in inclement weather. Rest assured that ANCO has everything you need to always assure that your line of vision, as well as the ADAS forward-facing camera's line of vision, is clean and safe. So this leads us to one particularly important question. When was the last time you had your wiper blades checked? Thanks for watching.